Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany. So today I'm going to be sharing with you an easy recipe to make these protein bagels. They're so easy, you can't even believe it. First, we're going to start with 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, we're going to go ahead and prepare our 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Before we add in our Greek yogurt, we're going to give our dry mixture a quick mix. Now go ahead and add in your Greek yogurt. Now we'll go ahead and mix everything together until you get a nice dough-like consistency, and then I will be switching over to gloves at this point to start kneading. After kneading the dough for about 2 minutes, we're going to go ahead and make a ball, and then we're going to divide that into 4 pieces. This recipe will make about 4 bagels depending on what size you'd like them. To bake our bagels, I went ahead and grabbed a cookie sheet and lined it with parchment paper. I also sprayed it with some olive oil so it doesn't stick. Next, I grab my dough ball and start rolling it out into a straight line and then connecting it as a circle on top of the cookie sheet. Next, we're going to add an egg wash on top, so go ahead and crack your egg into the bowl, give that a good mix. My family loves jalapeno and cheese bagels, and I love cheese bagels, so I'm going to do 2 jalapeno and cheese and then just 2 regular cheese bagels. Here you can get creative and figure out what your family likes or what you like. You could also do the egg wash and everything bagel seasoning. You can also just do a plain bagel with just the egg wash as well. It's whatever your favorite is. Once your egg wash is nice and evenly coated, you're going to go ahead and add your toppings. Here I'm going to add cheese, and then on 2 of the bagels I'm going to add jalapenos. Now we're going to pop these in the oven at 375 for about 22 to 25 minutes. And these are seriously so delicious, you really have to try them. The prep on the bagels were about 10 minutes, and then I did bake them for about 23 minutes in the oven. Just watch them, depends on your oven. And then go ahead and enjoy them warm, guys. They're so delicious. You will not regret making these. They're nice and fluffy. They don't taste like they were made with Greek yogurt. Just trust me, guys. Make them for your family. Make them for yourself. You're gonna love them. And go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And also go ahead and subscribe. I will be back with more videos. Thank you for watching.